Okay, so we are going to do some practicing of drawing Bohr diagrams and talking about the electron placement. So this is going to be a quick video, and we are going to be looking at our notebook. And this is notebook page number 70. So I'm just going to write that down over here. So this is page number 70 in your notebook. So we have circles representing the nucleus, and we're going to just draw our Bohr diagram. So I'm not going to do all of them, but I'm going to do quite a few of them. So our first one is atomic number 2. So I go to my handy dandy periodic table and I find atomic number 2. So according to that, atomic number 2 is helium. So the element name is helium. And helium has 2 electrons. It just has a number 2 right underneath it on the periodic table. So hold on, I'm just going to try to shift this thing over so that I can go to my reference table here. So if I go over to helium's, right, so the electron configuration for helium is just a 2. So that means there's only 2 electrons, and they're both located in the first energy level. So helium has atomic number 2, so it has 2 positive protons and has a mass of 4. So I'm just going to do helium-4, right? So 4 comes from the periodic table. So then to get the neutrons, I'm going to do 4 minus 2. So my neutrons that are neutral are equal to 2. So I have 2 positive protons and 2 neutrons that are neutral. So now I have an energy level 1 can hold 2 electrons. I have 2 electrons to place. So I'm just going to do 2e for electrons. I don't want to do all the little dots, which you can do also. Unless you want to do the dots, you can totally do the dots. So now let's go to atomic number 7. All right, so atomic number 7, go to your periodic table. Atomic number 7 is nitrogen on your periodic table, right? You want to believe me? Nitrogen. Atomic number 7, mass of 14, and electron configuration is 2-5. All right, so now let's translate that into a Bohr diagram. So the electrons are 2-5, so that means there's a total of 7 electrons. The protons are equal to 7, and the mass was 14, right? So then the element name was nitrogen, and has a mass of 14. And so 14 minus 7 is 7 neutrons, so the neutrons are equal to 7 also. And now I have 7 electrons to place. The first energy level holds 2 electrons, so then there's 1, 2. So now the rest of those, the 5 that are left, have to go on up to the next level. So then that's going to be where I'm going to put those 5 electrons. And now let's jump down here to, well, let's down here number 9. So this is fluorine. And the mass is 19 from the periodic table. The atomic number is 9, so that means I have 9 positive protons. So protons are equal to 9. And the neutrons are equal to 10 because I have 19 minus 9. And now I need to go find fluorine on my periodic table. So fluorine has an electron configuration of 2-7. So the 9 electrons are arranged as follows: 2 in the first level, and then 7 in the second level. So then atomic number 4. So then we're going to go, right, so atomic number 4 is beryllium, right? So beryllium, so I'll just do Be for beryllium because I don't feel like drawing it out right now. Beryllium has an atomic mass of 9 and 2-2. So atomic mass is 9 and then 2-2. So that means that there is 4 protons that are positive in the nucleus. 9 minus 4, so then I have my neutrons are equal to 5. And at energy level 1, I have 2 electrons. And energy level 2, I have 2 electrons. All right, so hopefully this makes perfect sense. I'm hoping it does. I feel like I don't need to do all of them because I will provide you the answer key as well. Some of them get a little bit, let's just do number 19 really quick. Number 19 is potassium. So potassium. And let's do a quick look at potassium here. It's 39 and 2881. So I have 2881 1, and potassium has a mass of 39. So my protons that are positive is equal to 19, and my neutrons are equal to, and then I have 2, 8, 8, and 1. All right, and that's going to wrap up this video. I don't think I need to do the rest. I think you should be all set. Rewatch this video and check out my answer key for the answers to the rest of the worksheet.